I'm going to be sharing with you a list of 10 most profitable and in-demand digital items that content creators can sell. Now, a lot of content creators think that the beginning and the end of their revenue on YouTube is the ads revenue. But I always tell you guys that the least amount that I have made on YouTube has come from the ads revenue. That means that I have made more from other things, right? Rather than ads revenue. I even started to make money off of YouTube before I got monetized. So if you think that the beginning and the end of your making money on YouTube is just ads revenue, you may actually be missing out on a lot. Okay. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 of the most profitable niches, of the most profitable items that you can sell on YouTube. Now, you guys know that before I bring anything to you, I have tried them and I have seen them to be true, right? A lot of these things that I'll be telling to you, I have tried myself. Okay. And I have confirmed that they are indeed profitable. All right. So the first one we're going to be talking about with digital courses. Now, a lot of people know that digital courses are on sale now, right? And why are they profitable? They're profitable because knowledge is power. People will pay to learn new skills. Now, I don't know about you, but I have also spent money buying courses, right? In the past, I'm currently purchasing courses and I will continue to buy courses in the future because I always want to be the best version of myself, right? And learning helps me to be that kind of person. Now, you also can gift people, you can sell courses, right? But a lot of people think that, okay, I'm just a content creator. There is nothing for me to sell. There's no course for me to make, but there is that special skill that you have. There is that thing on your inside that is right there and you know it. Maybe organization skills, maybe cooking skills, maybe graphic designs, maybe coding, maybe website design. You have those skills and you can make it simpler for people. You can create courses to make it simpler for people. All right. So you can sell it on places like Teachable, like Udemy, like Kajabi, right? Like Skillshare. Those are places that you can list your courses. Now, my favorite place to list courses will be on StanStore. And I have a course listed on StanStore myself. StanStore makes it super easy to list your course and to also get paid. It also has this community feature that you can use for your students, which is super duper amazing. I'm going to be linking StanStore in the description box. Okay. So if you have not registered for StanStore, go ahead and use StanStore. StanStore is amazing. And I think that they also have this 7-day trial that you can use. Anyway, go ahead and register with StanStore. The second one will be ebooks. Now, I personally have an ebook coming up in December, right? And I told you guys, I have given myself that deadline. So that ebook has to be out. I'm currently in the process of writing it and then creating it. Ebooks are low cost, right? They're low cost to produce, right? And they appeal readers in every nation market. Now, I don't know about you. I find it hard to read physical books now, but because I always have my phone in my hands, it is easy for me to read ebooks, right? Or audiobooks, right? So a lot of people are purchasing ebooks. And I also have a mini ebook, right, that I give out free, and I see that a lot of people, right, download that ebook, and people have given me feedback and say the ebooks have helped them. So ebooks, creating ebooks is one thing, right? If you have that idea, let's even say you don't know how to outline your ebook, give ChatGPT your idea, tell ChatGPT everything you know, and tell ChatGPT to outline, give you ebook ideas, and then to give you the outline of the ebook that you can now build on, right, to create your own new book. Now you can publish your ebook on Amazon KDP, right? You can also list it on StanStore, which is where I'll be listing my own ebook as well, right? And you can also list it on places like Gumroad. Now, the next one will be digital planners and journals. I know you're saying my niche, I don't create digital planners. There is no need for digital planners. Now, a lot of people like structure, right? Organization and productivity. I don't know about you, but I would love to be productive, more productive. Now, within your niche, there is definitely always something. There is a digital item, there is a planner, there is a journal that you can create for your niche. So let us say that you deal with a mental health niche, right? You can create mindfulness planners. You can create meditation journals. There are lots of things to create, right? ChatGPT is your friend, like I've always said. Things like daily planners, habit trackers, budgeting journals, gratitude journals. I personally have Bible study journals listed on KDP, the physical items. I have the digital one listed on Etsy, and I make money off of those things every month, right? So this is something you can jump on. You use Canva to design it, and then you list it on Etsy, you list it on Amazon KDP. Those are amazing things for you to jump on. The next one will be printables, right? Printables, things like wall arts, like gift tags, like children activity sheets, party decoration. If this is your gig and you know how to create things like that. Now, one of my best selling items on Etsy is a children's Bible study worksheet, right? I didn't even think that worksheet was going to make sales, but it is my top selling item on Etsy. So if you are able to create things like that, even if you don't have an idea, right, bounce ideas off of other worksheets, ask ChatGPT, and then put them together using Canva and then list them on Etsy. I like to list journals and things like this on Etsy because Etsy makes it easier to sell over there. The next one will be stock videos and images. Now, you are that person that likes to take beautiful images, right? And you just keep them in your phone, not knowing that places like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock or other sites like that purchase them from you. Because imagine content creators, right, pay subscription to websites to use their stock images, to use their stock videos. Where do you think we get it from? They get it from, right? They get it from people like you and I. All right. So if you're that creator that likes to take images, that likes to take pictures, that likes to make wonderful videos, that is something that is super amazing that you can do. Next up with social media templates. I don't know about you, but I personally have gone on Etsy and I've purchased templates for my Instagram reels at one time when I was still on Instagram. But a lot of content creators do not even have time to create their own templates. But if you're good at creating these templates, they would definitely buy it from you. You can list them on places like Etsy especially, right? You go to Etsy, look for templates, look at how they create their templates, look at how they bundle them, right? And list them, right? You can also list them on places like Pinterest, right? And you can also create templates like YouTube thumbnails, right? And people would definitely purchase from you. I know a lot of people that would love to have amazing YouTube templates, but they just don't know how to create it. So if you're good at creating it, create it and list it on Etsy. The next one will be website themes, right? Now, like especially themes like Canva websites. I know a lot of people sell Canva website themes on Etsy, right? Canva website themes, WordPress, Squarespace, Shopify. If you're good at creating these things, create the templates, bundle them up and list them on Etsy. Listen, it's 2024. No one has an excuse to be broke. None of you have excuses to be broke, okay? No one. Now, the next one will be membership and subscriptions. Now, if you have something that you can continue delivering to people, right? People love ongoing access to exclusive content. So if you have exclusive content, something that you can sell to your people all the time, maybe like monthly digital bundles, like, you know, all those things that you can sell to people. You can use platforms like Patreon or Stan Store, which I use myself. Okay. So Stan Store is an amazing place to, you know, host memberships and subscriptions. I know a lot of people are waiting for the YouTube, right, monetization so that you can host your membership, but you can already host it on places like Stan Store. Now, the last but not the least, I think that will be 9 on the list, will be tutorials and how-to guides. Let's say you have a simple small tutorials like 10 minutes tutorials, 10 minutes how-to guides, 30 minutes tutorials, 30 minutes how-to guides. You can list them on places like Stan Store. As a matter of fact, Stan Store has a special spot on their website where you can host little how-to guides, where you can sell little tutorials and all of that for things like side hustle, photography, DIY crafts and all that. You can monetize your skills. All right. You can monetize your skills. Listen, no matter the products, no matter your niche, I want you to know that it is possible for you to monetize every single skill that you have. Now, guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.